Greetings, dear students and parents, our beloved students of the boarding. We have been and we were longing to see you in action. We wanted to find out whether you are fit, whether you are fine, and whether you are active, or you have just got into a zone of slumber. And here comes before you the Sanskar Virtual Fest exclusively for the boarding children. I am so glad to see the number of participation and registration that came in, and we are actually overwhelmed to see you in action. We have been missing you on campus, and this particular event has given us and all the boarding parents and students a glimpse into your physical activities, how fit, how active you have been over this period of time. The teachers have worked hard, the sports department has worked hard, your tutors have put in numbers of calls to you to garner your participation. And I hope and pray that this will bind us as a community. This will help us to glue with each other, and we'll enjoy this particular program in unison. Good luck to all of you, and congratulations to all the winners and those who have participated in this event. Thank you so much.
Greetings of the day. I, Anandas, the boarding sports coordinator, welcome you all to the Sports Virtual Fest for Boarders. We at the Sanskar Valley School always try to give our best, whether it is academic or sports, offline or online. We always like to give our students an opportunity to showcase their talent and skill. The Sports Virtual Fest for Boarders was one such online event where a lot of students participated and gave their best. Running was one such event. We will continue to host more this event till the time our students are back in the boarding houses. The campus and our fields are missing the buzz the students create here. We are sincerely hope and pray that all of you are back on campus soon, and we once again rock the sports field. Till then, take care, stay safe and keep fit. Thank you.
ज्ञान की रोशनी से सजाएंगे हम जगमगा everyone present here. I, Diva Zalani, welcome you all to the first ever closing ceremony of the boarding SVF. Though we're missing our boarding, we're missing our school, the big field, the basketball court, our favorite, the turf, and of course the Umang Hall where this ceremony would have taken place if this was offline. But our teachers, our boarding staff, have made sure that we stay connected with the school, with the boarding, even in these most difficult times. Sports in particular is very difficult to conduct online. Still, the sports department of the Sanskar Valley School managed to conduct this event specially for the boarders. For that, we would like to express our gratitude towards them. For the past 1.5 years, everybody is relaxing in their houses. But the students of Kshitij Prerna have shown great enthusiasm in this event, which was commendable. To them, I would like to say, it is not who wins today, it is who got up and participated.